Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. So I wanted to share with you some of the basic items that I have for cake decorating. So if you've been thinking about starting cake decorating and you want to know some of the basic tools and utensils or items that you need, this is the video. Okay, so you can see those are the items that I have laid out there, and I'm just going to go through them and let you know what they are and what I use them for. So we're going to start off with this cake leveler. So this is meant to help you cut across a cake nice and evenly. So I really like this, and it's got like that grooved kind of surface to nicely cut through, and that way you nicely cut at a good height. Then you've got those grooves at the side, so you can actually move this thing up or down depending on the height you want to cut the cake at. So this is really useful. You don't have to use a knife and get wobbly sort of sides, uneven sides. This definitely comes handy. And then the next thing I have is a fondant smoother. So ideally, if you cover your cake, for example, in fondant, you can just sort of smooth on top of the cake, and that leaves your cake nice and smooth and gives it that professional nice look. And then the next items I have there are these icing piping nozzles. So as you can see, there are plenty of them, and they've got lots of different sort of designs. So they all, at the end there, they have different sort of shapes. And as you can see there, it comes with a lot of them in the one packet. So you've got plenty of options and lots of designs that you can try out. And then the next thing I have are these disposable icing bags. So I'm just going to take them out. And as you can see, that's the roll. They are blue. And so all you do is unroll it, kind of tear it off, fill the bag, cut the tip, and then you can actually use that to as for piping icing. So it's really handy and disposable. You don't need to, clean it or anything. And then next I have these cookie cutters that come in a nice little container. So these are alphabet and number cookie cutters. So you can see they're all shapes and sizes, kind of cute, just so you can have things that are cut nicely and evenly so that it looks more presentable. And then next I've got these pink and white modeling tools. So these are mainly used to put designs on the cake. So you see at the top there, they've got different designs, and then on the other end, they've got different designs as well. So you have quite a lot of options on how to design your cake. Really, you can pick and choose what you want. So those are the tools that I have there. Okay, and then last but definitely not least is this cake turntable. This is absolutely handy for cake decorating. As you can see, it nicely spins around. So when you're decorating, you can easily just turn it around, and using the smoothing tool, you can actually just hold the tool in place and then move the little turntable. So those are all the items, guys, that I wanted to show you. If you enjoyed, please like. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And I really hope this helped in your journey for cake decorating, and the link to these products will be in the description. So until next time, guys, bye.